Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best circular saw blades that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Angel Sword 7/4-inch circular saw blade. This 10-pack set is designed for framing, featuring 24 tungsten carbide teeth for durability and heat resistance. Its thin kerf design enables fast and smooth cuts, making it ideal for slicing through hardwoods, softwoods, plywood, and even melamine, compatible with popular brands like DeWalt and Makita. This set is great for contractors or DIYers looking for an affordable bulk option. The build quality is decent, with tungsten carbide teeth offering wear resistance and toughness. However, the thin kerf could lead to quicker dulling if used on harder materials for extended periods. The blades are versatile, but lack specialized features like anti-vibration vents or advanced coatings, which could improve cutting precision and tool longevity. Still, for straightforward framing and woodworking, it gets the job done. If you're looking for performance on a budget, Angel Sword delivers value for general-purpose cutting. However, it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty or precision tasks. Pros include affordability, compatibility with major saw brands, and smooth cutting performance. Cons are the lack of advanced features and potentially shorter lifespan compared to premium brands. Ideal for occasional users or those who need multiple blades for lighter tasks. At number 4, we have the KeenTech 7¼ inch circular saw blade 10-pack. This set is designed for contractors and frequent users, offering aggressive 24-tooth framing and ripping blades with tungsten carbide tip teeth for sharp, clean cuts. The ATAF grind design ensures reduced splintering and long-lasting sharpness, while the 18 degrees hook angle facilitates faster feed rates for smoother cuts. Expansion slots minimize vibration and noise, making these blades a solid choice for high-demand applications. Build quality is impressive, with heat-treated plates designed for toughness and low runout. The .063-inch thin kerf reduces motor strain and material wastage, while the diamond cutout ensures compatibility with most 7¼ inch circular saws. However, these blades lean heavily towards aggressive cutting and may not perform as well on finer woodworking tasks or finish cuts. KeenTech's value proposition lies in its affordability for bulk purchases, making it ideal for contractors tackling large framing jobs or frequent blade swaps. Pros include robust build quality, fast cutting performance, and minimized blade warping. Cons are limited versatility for precise cuts and a focus on aggressive applications. If you're looking for an efficient solution for framing and ripping tasks, this is a great pick. Taking the third spot is the Diablo Tracking Point 7¼ inch circular saw blade 2-pack. This package is perfect for professionals who need high-performance blades for demanding jobs. Featuring Diablo's patented tracking point technology, these blades deliver smooth, controlled cuts with reduced vibration, thanks to their laser cut stabilizer vents. The Tyco high-density carbide teeth are built for durability, making them ideal for cutting pressure-treated wood, plywood, and hardwood. The PermaShield coating resists heat, gumming, and corrosion, ensuring reliable performance even in tough conditions. The design prioritizes precision and control, making it great for framers, roofers, and remodelers. However, with only 2 blades in the pack, it's not as economical as bulk options like Angel Sword or KeenTech. Diablo's focus on premium features makes this set perfect for users who prioritize precision and durability over quantity. Pros include smooth cutting performance, long-lasting carbide teeth, and advanced coatings for blade protection. Cons are the higher price point and smaller pack size. If precision and durability are what you're looking for, this 2-pack is worth considering. Our runner-up is the OABRES 3-pack combo circular saw blades. This set includes 3 distinct blades, a 24T framing blade, a 40T cross-cutting blade, and a 60T finish blade, making it an excellent choice for versatile woodworking. The ATB alternating top bevel tooth design ensures smooth and accurate cuts, while the durable tungsten carbide teeth provide long-lasting sharpness. Build quality is solid, with fully polished and chrome-plated surfaces that offer excellent wear resistance and a long usage life. The blades are compatible with corded and cordless circular saws, miter saws, and table saws, making them a versatile option for various tasks. However, the lack of advanced features like anti-vibration vents or specialized coatings may impact performance during heavy-duty jobs. Ideal for users who want versatility in a single purchase, OABRS offers a strong value proposition. Pros include multi-purpose functionality, durable construction, and compatibility with multiple tools. Cons are the absence of premium features and a narrower focus on general-purpose use. If you need a reliable set for a range of woodworking tasks, this combo pack is hard to beat. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Diablo Framing Saw Blade for Wood 10-pack. This set is packed with features that make it a standout choice for professionals and serious DIYers. The tracking point tooth design delivers precision cuts with up to 5 times longer blade life, while the thin kerf design ensures fast and clean cuts at high speeds. Optimized for cordless tools, these blades provide up to 30% more cuts per battery charge, making them perfect for high-output jobs. Build quality is exceptional, with laser-cut stabilizer vents that reduce vibration and improve cutting accuracy. The advanced non-stick coating resists heat, gumming, and corrosion, extending blade life significantly. Whether you're working with pressure-treated wood, plywood, or framing lumber, these blades offer unmatched versatility and durability. Diablo's premium features justify the higher price point, making this set the ultimate choice for users who demand top-tier performance. Pros include precision cutting, anti-vibration stability, long-lasting durability, and efficiency with cordless tools. Cons are the premium price and focus on framing applications. If you're looking for the best circular saw blades the market has to offer, the Diablo 10-pack is a clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.